So guys, this is my hair. So this is after I have washed it. So this is it. So this is it. So that's it. So I want to comb in now. So this is my homemade hair growth oil. So I am going to apply this oil to it now. So this is it. This is how I do it. Okay, if you want to know how I make this oil, so subscribe to my channel, follow my page. You are going to see everything that I'm using. Okay. So that's it guys. So thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay safe.